Today we are making this leather card holder. For each kit, remove the belly band. Open the box from the bottom and take everything out. Here is everything included in the kit. This is the instruction manual. You can scan this QR code to watch the video tutorial. This is the envelope and the greeting card. The card is blank, so feel free to write or draw on it. This is the gift box. Once the card holder is finished, you can put it in the box along with the greeting card as a gift. Here are the universal liquid, glue, stamping tools, snap fastener setting tool, snap fastener base, scissors, lint-free swab, wood edge slicker, and nail file. There are also pre-cut leather pieces. Every kit comes with the same tools, only the leather color is different. I'm using orange here for demonstration, but please refer to the kit you received. We also have wool daubers, palette, clips, cleaning clothes, finger cots, wax thread, sewing needles, snap fasteners, and a wooden hammer. The accessories in each kit are the same, only the leather color differs. I'm using green here to show you the making process. First, take out the palette and the universal liquid. Pour the liquid into the palette. Dip the wool dauber in it. And apply it to the back of the leather, the rough side. Smooth it out with the wood slicker. Keep applying and smoothing until the back is sleek. It's good when it looks like this. Use the same method to smooth the other 3 pieces of leather. Note that you also need to apply the universal liquid and smooth the edges of these 3 pieces. Because you won't be able to reach them once they are stitched together. After smoothing, let's install the snap fasteners. We'll install them on these 2 pieces of leather. This is the snap fastener base, and this is the setting tool. We only need the right one here. Place the snap fastener, with a hollow bottom, and a center post onto the pointed bump of the base. Put the leather on top, and then place the top half of the snap fastener. Either of these 2 works. I'm using the one on the left. Press the setting tool against the hole in the center post and hammer it tight. That's one side done. Next, switch the base to the smooth side. Place the snap fastener, with a solid bottom, and a center post on the base. Snap the leather onto it, and place the final piece of the snap fastener on top. Press the setting tool against the center post hole and hammer it tight. Now the other side is done too. Next, let me show you how to use the stamping tools. Place the stamping board with the raised side facing down. Pick the letter you want to stamp. Hold the wooden stick against the letter and tap it a few times with the wooden hammer. The letter is now stamped. You can stamp any letters you like anywhere on the card holder. Now, let's move on to the next step. This piece of leather has more holes on the right side and fewer on the left, so we'll attach 1 layer on the left and 2 layers on the right. Let me show you the right side first. Start by attaching the inner layer. Leave 1 hole at each end on both sides of the bottom leather piece. Align the 3 holes on both sides of the top leather piece with the next 3 holes on both sides of the bottom piece. Take out the palette and glue, and squeeze some glue into the palette. Use a lint-free swab to apply glue to the sides and bottom of the leather. Stick them together along the aligned holes. And secure them with clips, clamp them at the punched holes. Wait for the glue to dry completely. Then, glue the remaining outer layer to the bottom. Secure it with clamps and wait for the glue to dry. For the remaining side, use the same method to glue it on. Align the edges of the leather with the bottom piece. Secure with clips, and wait for the glue to dry. Next, let's start stitching. Cut a piece of wax thread 4 times the length you need to stitch. Thread a needle onto each end of the thread. After threading, just go through the end of the thread twice with the same needle to secure it. Just pass them directly through the middle of the thread. And pull the ends down. Use the same method for the other side. Start stitching from either of these two sides. Here, we'll pass both needles from the outside through the first two holes to the inside. Then, pass the top needle back through the first hole. Now both needles are back in the first hole. Next, start stitching back and forth. Pass the left needle from left to right. Then pass the right needle from right to left. And pull tight. Continue passing the left needle from left to right. Then the right needle from right to left. And pull tight. Keep stitching following this method. Keep stitching around like this. Now we've reached the last hole. Continue passing the left needle from left to right. And the right needle from right to left. Here, we need to stitch back to secure it. Take the needle on the outside of the left side, and go back 1 stitch. Now both thread ends are on the inside of the card holder. Cut the thread ends. Burn the ends with a lighter to secure them. Bring your own lighter. One side is now stitched. Stitch and secure the other side using the same method. Once both sides are stitched, start smoothing the edges of the card holder. Use a nail file first. After all 4 sides are filed, apply the universal liquid. And smooth it with the wood slicker. Keep smoothing until it's as sleek and shiny as this. Once all 4 sides are polished, the card holder is finished. Snap the buttons closed. Take out the gift box. And place the finished card holder inside. Pair it with the greeting card. Write a blessing. And it's ready to be given as a gift.